Okay, this technique is using the farrimond hitch. So I've got my cord, loosen it out. Now the easiest one with this one is to actually do the hammock end first. This time round I'm actually going to do a figure 8 on the end here and clip in with a carabiner onto my hammock. Great. Now the farrimond hitch relies on some adjustment, which means I can only have one loop around the tree. One of the reasons I'm not super keen on the farrimond is because it's kind of all the force goes on the tree, it can damage the tree. But we'll show it here. This is a great technique for tarps for sure. Hammocks I'm not quite so sure. So I take a loop, pass that loop underneath the cord here and make one loop round like that, and then a second loop round like that. Okay, so you can see I've got these two and then a larger one in the center. Then with my working end, I'm going to make a loop here and tuck that through here. Now this knot needs to be dressed pretty tightly and pretty carefully, otherwise it's liable to slip. So I'm going to cinch this all up nicely. Putting it nice and tight. Like so. You may need to put some load on this first and then come back and cinch it some more. There we go. Now I can adjust this up and down to the desired length. That looks about right. And here we go. It's going to tighten, so you may need to do some additional adjustment. But there we go, farrimond hitch. Now when you're done, the cool thing about the farrimond hitch is not only is it adjusting, it's also quick release. So I simply take this end, pull the loop through, and it all comes undone. Super speedy.